Hey everyone, get ready to escape with me to Kuala Lumpur. We're kicking things off at this amazing rooftop infinity pool. Look at this view. The Petronas Twin Towers are right there. Can you believe this cityscape at dusk? I'm already feeling relaxed. Time for a dip. Okay, so the night view was incredible, but check it out during the day. The pool is buzzing with people, everyone soaking up the sun and snapping pics. Seriously, this is the life. Swimming with a view like this, unbeatable. Daytime is a whole different vibe. Seriously, I can't get enough of this view. Every angle is postcard worthy. Look at those skyscrapers. At dusk, the city just starts to glow. It's like a real life screensaver. I'm telling you, this is the best way to experience Kuala Lumpur. As the sun starts to set, things get even more magical. That golden hour light hitting the city. Perfection. Time to just chill by the pool and soak it all in. This is what vacations are all about, right? Pure relaxation. Golden hour is seriously showing off right now. The light is just incredible. I'm trying to capture every moment. I mean, who wouldn't want to be here right now? As darkness falls, the city lights come alive. Swimming under the stars with this view is unreal. The Petronas Towers, all lit up, breathtaking. It's so peaceful and serene up here. This is definitely an experience I won't forget. Just taking one last look at this amazing skyline. The water is so calm and reflective. Kuala Lumpur, you've been incredible. If you ever get the chance to visit, this rooftop pool is a must. Thanks for joining me. What do you think of this rooftop view? Let me know in the comments.